If you want full protection of your Instagram account from hackers, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you how you can set up two-factor authentication for your Instagram account to secure your account from malicious activities. If you enable this feature, your account won't be logged in without providing an OTP generated on your mobile phone. This will provide full security to your account. Now let's go through the procedure.
So smash that subscribe button.
Open the Instagram app. Go to your account settings. Security. Under the login security menu, tap on the fourth option of two-factor authentication. Hit get started. Here you have got different methods for authentication. First is the authentication app. For this, you have to install an authentication app. Tap on the install app button. Now install this app. After installing, go to the Insta app. Next. Now this screen will show up. Save it. Next. Hit show passcode. Now you will get a passcode.
Copy that.
Go to Instagram. Tap on next. Here paste that code. Now your two-factor authentication by authentication app is turned on. On the next screen, you will get recovery codes. Save these in a secure place. You will need them if you lost access to your phone and authentication app. Now your Insta account won't be logged in without providing an OTP generated by this app. The other two options are OTP verification through WhatsApp or text message. You can opt for these also if you want multiple authentication methods set up for your Instagram account. The setup of these two options is similar. You just have to confirm your phone number if you hadn't yet.
Confirmed.
Now you have set up different options for verification and checkpoints in place which will secure your account from hackers. You can verify and allow the login by OTP through text message or WhatsApp or from the authentication app.
Amazing!
Now you know how to set up two-factor authentication for your Instagram account to secure it from hackers. If you want to support my work, please like this video. Watch our other Instagram related videos. Subscribe to our channel by tapping or clicking the channel logo to regularly get these types of videos. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one.